Assalamu alaikum, ladies. Welcome to day 9 of our 10-day 10 skills challenge. The basics of grocery shopping. This is a great one to do over the weekend while you're already planning your grocery run. It is practical, hands-on, and full of teachable moments. Teaching your child how to grocery shop isn't just about food. It is about confidence, early math, and even real-world decision-making. And you can start right where they are. The number one step is to create the grocery list. For preschoolers, we're going to make it visual and simple. We involve them every step of the way. We have them cut out pictures of common grocery items from store flyers or magazines like yogurt, eggs, bread. Paste 3 to 5 of them on a blank sheet to make a mini shopping list. And when you do it together, you're not just preparing for a task, you're creating connection. Start at home with a meal they enjoy, maybe spaghetti or taco or butter chicken, and ask, what do we need for that? Do we already have some of it? Have them check it out and make a list. Once the list is ready, teach them how to organize it. You tell them fruits go together, dairy goes together, because in the grocery stores they are placed together, so it's more efficient, more organized. It makes shopping faster and easier. And the more they take part in the activity, in the planning, the more they care. You're showing them that they matter, that their help is real help. Next step is shopping, real life lessons. At the store, let your child take the lead. Let them carry the list, find the apples, compare the prices. Depending on their age, ask them, which one is cheaper? What's different about the ingredients? Why would we choose this one over that one? Also teach them while picking out the fruits. Which one we're going to pick? The one that's looking fresh, no cuts or blemishes or soft spots. Firm and pleasant, also with veggies that you usually cook. Tell them how to pick out a good veggie. These are life skills. They're learning how to make thoughtful decisions in real environment. I still remember when my mother used to take me shopping. She used to show me an example of a perfect courgette and a not so perfect one. She would say, it is so hard that it's going to be bitter. Look here, it's got blemishes. It's got mark on it. We want the one that's clear as much as possible. Then she would tell me, now get me nice ones like these. And I would take the bag and spend a lot of time and care in choosing the perfect one because I didn't want to let my mother down. So these lessons stayed with me. May Allah bless her immensely. And the final step is the checkout. At checkout, let them engage. They can help unload the cart, talk to the cashier, even guess the total cost if they're up for some quick math fun. Then take a moment to say, look at you. You made your list, found the right items, and checked out. That took focus, teamwork, and effort. That's something to be proud of. And dear mother, you are shaping a future adult who knows how to take care of themselves and others. Today's challenge will be done if you involved your child in your grocery shopping process, even in a smallest way. But if it's progress from last time, then you are a success. Send done in the comments along with a faceless picture in the WhatsApp group. It is linked in the description. Now, Bismillah.